Welcome, fam. If your spine feels stiff, your energy stuck, or your body just hasn't caught up to the day yet, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll wake up your spine, release hidden tension, and help your body move the way it was designed to. Let's hit the mat. Come to all fours. Stack your shoulders over your wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, arch the spine, gaze up, exhale, round your back, tuck your chin. This isn't just movement, it's spinal breath work. And the way you start this flow sets the tone for everything that comes next. I promise this stretch boosts circulation to the discs, rehydrates your spine, and jumpstarts your nervous system. Beginners move slow even if the range is small. Advanced stretches match each movement to breath. Exaggerate the flex and extension. Your spine has over 120 muscles and 33 bones, and most of them tighten up while you sleep. Go one more round. Deeper breath, smoother motion. 5 more seconds. Do you feel that wave through your back yet? If not, tune into your exhale. It might be holding tension. That just unlocked your spine. Now let's connect your breath with strength. From tabletop, press into downward dog, hips up, heels down. Then flow forward, drop into cobra. Chest proud, shoulders back. This dynamic wave wakes up your whole chain, from hamstrings to heart. I promise this movement opens your posterior chain, strengthens your core, and nourishes your spinal discs. Beginners bend knees in downward dog or lower to baby cobra. Advanced stretches add a push-up between transitions for strength and flow. Did you know that fluid motion between spinal flexion and extension helps reset your posture for the day? Let's ride the breath for 5 more seconds. Flow strong and smooth. Can you feel that ripple from hips to chest? That's the exact chain that keeps you upright and pain-free. That just resets your posture. Now let's open the thoracic spine. From all fours, reach your right arm underneath your left. Palm up, shoulder to the mat, hips stay high. Let your upper back melt. This is where you find the knots you didn't know you had. I promise this will release shoulder tightness and unlock rotation in your mid-back, the area that often holds hidden stress. Now switch sides. Beginners, rest your head on a block. Advanced stretches, reach the top arm up and around to deepen the twist. Did you know that lack of thoracic mobility can lead to neck pain and poor breathing? Can you breathe into the rib cage just 5 more seconds? Do you feel more stretch when you exhale or inhale? Let your breath guide the release. You just opened your upper back. Now we're going even deeper into the shoulders. Stay on your knees, walk your hands forward, chest sinks toward the mat, arms long, forehead or chin rest down. This is your upper body's reset button. I promise this will counteract desk posture, realign the spine, and expand your breathing capacity. Beginners keep hips stacked over knees. Advanced stretches bring chin to mat for a deeper pec and trap stretch. This pose lengthens the fascia running from your shoulders into your core. Reach just 1 inch further for 5 more seconds. You've got it. Do you feel the stretch in your armpits or chest? That tells you where the tightness lives. That just unlocked your shoulders. Now let's stretch the sides and seal the flow. Stand tall, reach both arms overhead. Grab your left wrist with your right hand and gently bend to the right. Feel the full body arc. Switch sides at the 30-second mark. This move creates space, not just physically, but energetically. This is your posture's armor against slouching, fatigue, and stress. I promise this activates your obliques, decompresses the spine, and resets your rib cage for better breathing. Beginners, keep a soft bend in the knees. Advanced stretches, squeeze glutes and pull ribs in for maximum control. Did you know that lateral stretches stimulate lymph flow? boosting your immune system and detox process, reach just a bit higher, a bit longer. 5 more seconds. Can you feel one side more open than the other? That's your body asking for attention. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survivor mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.